Are you looking for alternatives to Field Nation and Work Market? This video is part 3 of an interview I did with Chelsey Mueller of CloudWork Pro, their tech recruiting manager. I talked with Chelsey about some of the concepts of being a technician that also is a buyer and how to set up that profile and some of the basics of that. I'm going to post the entire video that'll be in my CloudWork Pro playlist. Let's get into the interview. The next thing I want to talk about, Chelsey, is the technician company setup.
That's something that I think should be mentioned about our technicians as well. Sometimes we have a single technician, and sometimes we have a team of technicians that will come onto our platform. And just because we have a team of technicians, it doesn't, if you have a company that has 30 technicians, not all of those techs might be the right fit for our company. So, don't be offended if we don't bring on all of the technicians from your team, because what we are really looking for is that with any work order that is assigned to that technician, that they would be able to go out and do a high quality job. Our platform is not really designed for those who are really green in the field. This is designed for more of the technicians who are already at that expert level.
Obviously, as you mentioned, not all of the technicians may be eligible based on skill set and experience. So you have a separate ratings guide for the technician as well as a rating system for the company themselves. Is that correct?
That's correct. Each of our technicians, if they go out there and they do a great job, they will be rated by the client. And that's per work order. After every work order, the client will provide a rating for how great of a job that technician did.
And so obviously one bad tech is not going to ruin the relationship with CloudWork Pro. You're going to work with the technician company and allow them to make amends and obviously maybe suspend that tech, but not actually penalize the entire company for that.
That's right. Our support team is happy to reach out and try to find a resolution between technicians and clients so that both are happy.
I think that's important. A lot of technicians live in fear of being suspended from a platform and not being able to make their case and actually try to clear things up. And, a lot of these guys make a living off of these platforms. And so to have one just shut down on them without any kind of recourse or discussion, it makes them nervous. Obviously, they need to take care of their clients and you expect professional technicians, but there's always going to be misunderstandings. I think it'd be important for technicians to know how you guys would support the technician on that situation and give them a chance.
Sure thing. That's a really great question. The key here is that we have humans all around us, right? The clients are humans, the technicians are humans, and our team are humans as well. So we try to prevent as many of these issues from happening in the first place. So that's why our system will guide the client on creating their work order. That's why our system will guide the technicians for, applying for that job and making sure that they understand what is expected of them. That's why the pay is very clear. That's why, the payment terms are very clear, even before that technician goes to site. They can use the instant message feature. They can also use the contact box. So they should be able to clear up any of these issues before they start to become a major problem. If the technician is not able to get a hold of the client or there happens to be an issue right then, I encourage our technicians to reach out to our support team as early as possible. And the same thing for our clients. If they are having an issue with a technician, they should reach out to our support team so that we can get this remedied right away. And then after the work order has been submitted, again, there's points of contact throughout the entire process. So we should have an idea if something is coming up before it becomes a real problem. If in the event that it does become a real problem, again, our support team is here to help to mediate that. Our clients are able to give a rating at the end of, once they close out that work order. If that technician went out there and just was above and beyond, they just did a really great job, they can favorite that technician. So the client knows the next time that they have a work order in that area, that technician will be at the top of their list. But also, if they just want to pull up a list of their favorite technicians and maybe offer for them to travel to a different location just because that tech did a great job, that's an option as well.
I like the idea, and I have a lot of buyers that will come directly to me on the other platforms because they know the work that I'm going to deliver. And so I think that's nice for techs to know that that relationship can be built on the CloudWork Pro profile as as well.
We encourage the technicians, if they have really great clients and they want to bring them over to CloudWork Pro, we're happy to accommodate that. Our sales team is fantastic at helping clients to set up their profiles and get things up and running.
I'm sure you are.
If you happen to be a technician who also wants to run your work orders through our platform, that's a question that I've gotten many times. You can be a technician and a client. So you would just have separate logins. So again, you would go into the sign in, sign up, and then you would click on the client button.
Okay, so you've got separate profile logins based on whether you're a client or a technician. And that makes sense because, I mean, the fields and the forms that you're going to need to fill out and the way you're going to track it is going to be different. So that makes sense.
One thing that I wanted to share, Michael, is that we have different roles for the technicians on our platform. So we have an account owner. So that's the first person who needs to sign up. That's the person who's going to have like the W-9 information, the insurance information for the company, also the banking information. So that's your account owner. They will be able to manage themselves as well as their team. And then after they have been approved, they'll be able to invite additional technicians. Now, the additional invited technicians can be a dispatcher. That would be someone who's not going to sites, but they would be able to find work that's available on the platform. They can assign those work orders, and they can also manage those work orders. Then we have our unrestricted technician. That would be a technician who will be going to site, but they will also be able to see what is available on the platform. They can see pay, they can see rates, they can negotiate, they can assign the work orders to themselves or other team members. And then we have restricted technicians. So a restricted technician will just receive the work order that has been assigned to them. So they will not see how much the work order pays. They will not see any room for negotiation on dates or pay or anything like that. They just see, hey, on Thursday at 8 a.m., you're going to this location and here's what you're going to be doing. So we do have those different profiles, and that's assigned by the account owner. And I will interview, or our recruiting team will interview each of the technicians. So if an account owner invites a restricted technician, then I'm just going to talk to them about what they will see when you receive your work order. Here's what you're going to be doing. I'm not going to talk to a restricted technician about, setting up banking information or negotiating anything with a client. There are a couple of things that I wanted to just go over again. And that is the kinds of text that we are looking for, because our CEO, Mike Mudd, said, I want to make sure people know that we do not accept work orders that are less than $50. So the expectation here, again, is that we have true professionals on both sides. And we have high expectations from our clients as well. So
I like that. And I think a lot of techs will like that approach too, because, it's hard to make a living at $25 an hour, as a lot of even Field Nation tickets are routed out at. Another thing that I see a lot of technicians complain about on, Reddit threads and other places is pay issues, and some buyers choosing not to pay tickets. Now, obviously, if the tech has not done a good job, then I would understand that being the case. But I've also had situations where on Work Market, especially because there is no security on Work Market, I've had buyers just simply not pay me. They didn't have a reason other than it was probably financial, and they were just a flighty company and they disappeared. So my question for you is, with CloudWork Pro, does your platform pre-fund the tickets, and do you protect the technicians against having non-payment for no reason?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm very sorry that things like that have happened to you on other platforms. That's a reason why technicians should come to CloudWork Pro, and that is because you're going to get paid for the work that you have done. Our clients are true professionals, just as all of the techs are true professionals, and so the expectation is that the clients are going to pay, and we're going to make sure that that does happen. Now, if there's a reason that the client is not closing out that work order, we're going to have a conversation with the client as to what's going on. Did this thing not happen? And then we're going to go back to the technician and we'll find a remedy for that situation. But if a technician is going to be doing the work, then they should be getting that pay. So we'll certainly work with our technicians. But yeah, the clients are not going to get away with doing things like that, because that's unprofessional.
Yeah.
So the expectation, true professionals on both sides of the fence.
Love to hear that. Love to hear that. I think a lot of techs will appreciate that as well. I think most technicians are small-time guys. You know, missing out on a small amount of money is a big deal to a small-time guy. So on the pay side, what pay methods do you guys offer, and what are the time frames, and is it automated? Do I have to go in and select something to have the money transferred? Kind of talk to me about the pay process.
Great question. So when our account owner's profile is approved, then they will be set up to see everything that's available on our platform. Once they have completed their first work order, our standard payout is 14 days. Now, if there's anything different from that, it's going to be noted within that work order, so you'll know about that up front. So assuming that this is a standard work order, standard payout is 14 days. 14 days after that work order has been completed and signed off by the client, then the first time the account owner is going to receive 2 emails from our partner platform, Hyperwallet. So within Hyperwallet, they'll receive those 2 emails. One says you have funds available, and the other says that you need to set up your account. So with Hyperwallet, you'll set up your account, and you can choose if you're going to be paid through Venmo, PayPal, ACH, or a check. And then the system will default to that every time. You can always change it. You'll just want to make that change before submitting your next work order for approval. It's going to continue to go through that payment platform, and you'll continue to receive that money the same way until you decide to change it.
Okay. And then do you guys offer any kind of fee-based, faster payment method?
Currently, we do have a fast pay option, and that's we just pass along whatever Hyperwallet charges. I think it's like 3.5%, but I'm not certain on that part. But we just pass along whatever fee comes from Hyperwallet for the fast pay, and that pay comes to you within 1 week.
Great to know. Well, Chelsey, I want to thank you for coming on the Field Tech Academy YouTube channel and speaking with us today. I think this will help a lot of technicians to understand your platform better, and I hope it helps bring you new technicians and maybe even new clients. I'm always happy to see somebody competing in this marketplace. I think the idea of your quality control is amazing, and I really wish you the best.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm very happy to be here. And if technicians have any questions, if clients have any questions, they're welcome to reach out. Again, our support information is on our website. And then I really hope to see all of those qualified technicians up on our platform soon.
I will also include all the information from Chelsey in the description of this video, so you can link directly to it.
I think that it's really great, like that you are out there teaching people about how to use their skills, because like they are legitimately great professionals out there, and we need them to be using their skills. Get out there and do that for companies.
Exactly.
You know, go out there and just do a really great job. Have that high level of customer service, a high skill set. Good on you for showing other people how to do that.
Well, thank you. I hope you enjoyed learning about CloudWork Pro today. If you got value from what I've shared, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so you're informed about all my videos about all platforms and little tips and tricks on how to make money as a freelance IT tech. As always, let's get you out in the field making money. I'll see you in the next video.